Alright guys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to replace this hood lever. It goes right in between here, and right now I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. Right now the hood is completely shut down, so what I'm going to do is go over there and pop the latch, and then I'm going to show you how to open this up. Now there are two ways of doing this. One, you can try to get your fingers in there, which mine gets kind of scratched up, but what I like to use is a needle nose pair of pliers. I got an angle on mine, but you don't have to do that. Actually, better the straight ones. Now, what you want to do is look inside there, and you're going to see a little shiny part. Let me try to put that little shiny part right there. All right, now what you're going to do is grab onto that, pull that all the way forward as much as you can, and pick your hood up. Now, let me go up under here and show you what we did. Here's the latch right here. So you're going to stick your fingers or some needle nose in there, grab onto that, and pull it forward. This is where it's broken off at. So you need to pull that forward as close to possible and open your hood up. Alright, let's go get the part. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this little C-clip right here. It's going to take me a little small needle nose. Just go in there, grab that, and just pull it straight down, just like that. Set that down to the side. Now, it might be a good idea to put you a blanket down here or something just in case you drop something, but then if you do, it's over. Now, let's get our new lever. Now, we're going to switch up on this side because it's going to be easy for you to see this way. So, you're going to get your new lever. Now, the arrow's facing up. Turn it over. You're going to see a little groove right there. All right? You're going to take your new spring. Set your spring in just like this, into that groove, and this is going to be the tricky part. Okay, you're going to have to hold this spring up with one finger. With this finger right here, I'm going to hold it up, and with my thumb, I'm going to hold it like this, and with my thumb, see how I'm bending this, keeping that spring into place, keeping it into that groove. All right, you're going to come up here. You're going to see this little hole right here, this little opening. Remember, you got your tension right here. You're using your thumb as to open that spring up. Put that lever right through there. Put that spring right through there. Don't put it on this yet. Go up. Go up. Stick it through that opening. And once you get it through that opening, work your way over here. Snap that right into place. And what you want to do is just make sure you can see that little thing, the little opening right there, so you can stick this clip right back up there. Yeah, it's a pain. Make sure you see that groove. Yeah, I see the damn groove too. Get my needle, my pliers. Finally. All right, snap back up into place. Let's get our old stuff out of the way. Guys, it's not that simple of a job to hold that spring up. Now, if you come around this way, so you make sure your spring is set right in that hole, and you see that just one side of that opening, that little line, that little lever come up right there. All right, so let's go down. So we don't have to close the hood all the way. All right, and what we're going to do is just close it down just like that. Okay, close it down. Close down completely. Now let me pop the hood. should see that lever pop right out of there. And you're done. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.